he hit him. I can't believe he came behind us like that. Came between you and Jimmy. I don't know if we'll find him.
I don't either.
I saw feathers come out though. I was hoping he'd run down that road. Really flying. You got Randy. I'll be right down around the corner. Yeah. Have you got Randy? Go ahead, he's up there. I'll be behind you. If you see him, you shoot.
Well, I don't know that he won't run.
You ready to shoot him again, Larry?
If you shoot quail, you're all right. If you can't, shoot him right now. Jump in there and step on his head. Step on his head. There you go. You got it. Hot dog. Yeah.
Did you hear something else in the bushes over there?
What now?
There's something else running in the bushes over there.
Stretch him out right there. He'll be dead. Man, how about that? Thank you, Lord.
Congratulations, brother. Now I'm gonna show you all the tricks about how to put that bird.
That's the most unusual one I've ever gotten.
That's lucky right there.
That is.
What I do. Look at them sharp curved spurs. That's a good bird. I put my knee on him like this one.
Larry, good job, buddy.
And
You made a good shot.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah, I got it on camera.
hit him. We got him.
I trailed him all the way down the road.
You did?
Yeah, feathers right in the road there.
And he was laying right there.
Yeah. We walked by him one time.
Yeah.
Boy, I tell you what.
I knew he was hit pretty hard.
When they fly like that, it usually ain't good to shoot them.
Yeah, but when I saw that he hit the ground out there, I knew we had a chance.
Yeah, we hit the
He hit
ground
the ground over here, and there's a pile of feathers there.
Well, I heard the way he hit the ground. I said, we got a chance.
We saw him
You saw him hit? Okay.
Yeah.
And then I just started tracking him down the road.
You said Larry.
Larry, is that blood off that bird or is that off of you?
It's off the bird.
Okay.
Both said I'm about to step on his head. I stood right over there beside a big tree. I thought,
No.
well, at least I'm
Well, Larry has redeemed himself.
Oh,
He's
man.
not scared to shoot today.
No, he's not scared. He didn't have much choice that time when that bird came flying by.
I got to brag on him. He's took
I'm
more
like you
trash.
though. I could hear them feet hitting the ground.
Yeah.
I thought, man, that sucker's going to streak right on
I know
down
he
that
was.
road.
I could hear him tuk, 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 running.
he gobbled in there behind us and Tony said, "Yeah, have you got your call in your mouth?" And I said, "No, but I'd give $100 if I did have."
I had finally slipped by. I was fixing to call right before y'all shot, see if I could get him to step out in the road or do something
He
different.
was in the road.
He was
Oh, he's already in the road.
He came out between Jimmy and us.
Last time I heard him, I thought he was out in the pines there.
Yeah, but he was only 20 yards from us.
I was going to try to call to him.
Two birds born.
Okay.
I was going to try to call a little softly and get him to step out in front of y'all and come in. See?
They'd already passed us though.
Yeah, they'd already passed him.
There's two birds.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah, I heard him one time. On top of each
I
other.
never associated that.
You got it.
Yeah.
I didn't. No, I just thought it was one. But Jimmy was in a better position.
See what I told you?
Look at that.
Good
Look
bird.
at
What
that.
about his hooks? I haven't seen his hooks
They're
yet.
sharp.
Oh,
They ain't-
yeah.
you know.
That's a fine bird.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Kenny? I mean, Larry?
Hey,
I mean, that was a different kind of hunt, but I tell you what, it was exciting.
I wasn't about to not shoot.
Oh, man.
He wasn't gonna let us talk about him again. I promise you that.
He wasn't camera shy today.
You hit him good enough, son. Hit him good enough.
Congratulations. Boy, I tell you what, the mornings when you don't get one's worth it, but the mornings when you get one, it's really worth it, ain't it?
Especially when you lose sight of one, because you know most of the time when you lose sight of one,
You're done.
You're done. I mean, the chances of finding him are real slim.
Yeah, when they come in behind you, it usually don't work out for you.
But I saw him standing there, and I felt thinking, me and Jimmy both, he could bust out of here
Oh,
in a minute.
man.
There's nobody here with a gun.
Eddie would be on us, wouldn't he?
Oh, he
He'd watch him from up there and say, "You idiots! Why didn't you bring a gun?"
He was just sitting there with his head up looking like it.
How heavy
Well, the
is it?
head's up. I'm gonna tell you that's something.
17, 18 pounds.
Good job, Larry. We're gonna change your name back from scared to shoot. Killer.
The monkey's off my back now.
I tell you what, it's good. It's good when you can crack a turkey like that. It's something special. All I could see was 9.5, and so I had the corner of my eye before he saw them and started putting.
You had a good.
Oh,
bird
I had
time.
him. If he'd have just been a little slower. I wasn't scared about y'all shooting me, though. I want you to know.
You know what he just told us?
What?
I never did hear him tell me to shoot.
You know, he's right.
One of the things I learned a long time ago is that if you don't hit it on camera, it's still okay. If he's dead.
Never want to get out of your sight, man. That's a blessing.
That's a blessing. That's a gift from God. Right there.